Hi, my name is Shelby Mann. I am a chemistry teacher at a high school in Salina South High School that I'll be starting as a new teacher in the fall. I do have 3 years experience teaching chemistry in a small town in northwest Kansas. And the reason that I'm taking this class is to develop my online instruction techniques. With COVID hitting when it was my first year teaching, I realized that I had a lot to learn. And so with this class, I'm hoping to be able to develop more useful online instructions and be able to give those to my students and make it a little bit more of a smoother transition now that students understand online instruction a little bit more. My strengths, I believe, is that I understand technology, growing up with it, using it in school. I really do feel comfortable around technology. I think more than some of my coworkers did at my old school. Some of my weaknesses is that I do feel comfortable with it. I feel like I kind of know everything, and it's hard for me to learn new strategies or new techniques that I didn't know before. But I am hoping as a goal to branch out a little bit and implement more online instruction into my curriculum. I have my first master's in chemical education from South Dakota State, and so this is my second master's in instructional technology. And I decided to get it in instructional technology because of my love for technology and being able to implement it in my classroom a little bit better. So I'm looking forward to learning alongside you guys, and I hope we have a good semester.